Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Klarna Buy Now Pay Later. So for this, I am here on Sephora and let's say we buy something from here. So I will simply choose some products and I will add it to my cart. So for example, I will go with this product here. So I will simply choose the value here and I will click on add to basket. Now click on checkout. Once you are here in checkout, add the shipping address and scroll down. So there we have the payment method. Click on add it and from here you will find multiple payment methods. So there we have Klarna. I will select Klarna here. It will take few seconds and now as you can see you can pay with 4 interest free payments. So add your Klarna details here and then you will be able to check out. So you can buy it for now and you can pay it later. So in this way you can use Klarna buy now pay later. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.